We're tracking this very closely for you. You can see it is looking like a more organized system over very warm water right now in the Gulf of Mexico. When you see these deep shades of maroon, that indicates water temperature close to 90 degrees. And the minimum threshold for tropical development, usually 80 degrees. So that is plenty warm, and it acts kind of like high octane fuel to a tropical system. So as of 5 p.m., max winds 85 miles per hour, moving to the east at 7, and the pressure is dropping. All signs that Milton is strengthening. So right now it's moving east at 7, and the spaghetti models fairly tightly clustered, but there's still a range there, and about 3 days out the track error is 100 miles. So notice the GFS, which is this turquoise line right there. The American model takes it north of the Tampa Bay area, but other models want to bring it in closer to Fort Myers. So again, we're going to be watching for the slight fluctuations in the track over the next few days. Now, right now, the official forecast track has it strengthening all the way to a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 140 miles per hour north of the Yucatan Peninsula. The good news, this is in the open waters. But as it approaches the west coast of Florida, it maintains its Cat 4 strength until right before landfall. It is expected to weaken to a Cat 3 as it's expected to encounter some wind shear as it moves onshore. So we'll take anything to help weaken it, but still looking at a major hurricane landfall on the west coast. And notice this, the track keeps its strength as it moves across the state, and then it weakens once it gets into the Atlantic there and races off to the east. So here's a few headlines for you. Hurricane Milton right now moving just south of due east. It is rapidly intensifying and hints of an eye appearing. Deep convection in the eye wall, all signs of strengthening. Now it's going to move directly east on Monday, and we do expect it to take a little more of a turn to the northeast on Tuesday. So what are we looking at here at home? Well, our tropical storm wind probabilities have gone up from yesterday. 59% Stewart, right around 53% West Palm Beach. Hurricane wind probability still fairly low. Highest for the Treasure Coast. Vero Beach has a 10% chance of seeing hurricane force winds. So I can explain that to you with the wind field. As you can see, the strongest winds in this orange polygon right there, which right now looks like it's going to move over the Tampa Bay area. And just the fringe of that could grasp northern Indian River County, but most of us are looking at tropical storm force winds as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. So our winds really picking up on Wednesday, and then especially as we head into Thursday morning, we could see wind gusts upwards of 55 miles per hour across the Treasure Coast. And then by Friday into Saturday, the winds are coming down. So we continue to see light showers, no storms right now, no lightning, and all of this rain clouds holding temperatures in the 70s. We expect anywhere from about 5 to 10 inches of rain for our area, but there could be localized higher amounts that could lead to flooding. That's why we do have a flood watch through Thursday morning. So please never drive through flooded streets. Always turn around, don't drown. We do have a slight to moderate risk of excessive rainfall on Monday and Tuesday, and a marginal risk on Wednesday. So please be careful on the roads. Quickly out east, we have Hurricane Kirk moving to the north-northeast, weakening. Leslie, a Cat 1, not expected to impact anyone in another wave that does have a 30% chance of development moving off the coast of Africa. All right, back here at home, we do expect the rain to continue overnight into Monday, and Monday looks to be cloudy, multiple rounds of rain with localized flooding possible, and the real rain from Milton doesn't start until Tuesday night into Wednesday for us. So we'll be watching things closely. Waves will be picking up, especially as we head into Friday and Saturday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures held down with the additional clouds, the rain, highs in the 70s. And then as we head into late week, we'll cool things down, dry things out. Only a 20% chance of rain by Friday.